Well, it's very sideways, so I'm gonna try it, put it up and see if it goes down, but it certainly shouldn't be so sideways, I don't think. That's not very good. Okay, it's straightened out a little bit, so this seems to be the area that doesn't seems to be jammed right there every time. Yeah, that's not right. This isn't a very good fixing of the gate job, I don't think. I just dread the greasy fingerprints that I'll have to clean up. Let's see what's jamming it over here. Son of a bitch.
Extreme in terms of their measuring.
There seems to be something holding it back over there. It seems to be jammed. Here. Something. Well, I'll put it up so it's not crooked. It's a shame. Maybe if it goes all the way up. Look at this. I hope it doesn't fall again and give me all that dust. Man, that was a lot of cleanup to do. Look at it, it's really crooked though. It's not straight. You can see it's not a straight gate. It's higher on that side than that side by quite a bit actually. The camera doesn't do it justice. Let's see if it stops where it's supposed to. It is crooked, you can see it's not lined up. So that's not gonna look right, you know, when you get the... I'm gonna take a leap of faith here and walk under it. Yeehaw. Garbage. And so there's something wrong with that gate. Can't quite see what might be, you know. It's funny, I saw these rubbish down here. Actually, too. Something's not right on this track here. I really spent too much effort and I don't have enough time to fix any damage that the repairmen do to my signs. So please tell them to be very careful not to put oil all over my white walls and leave me with it to clean up like last time. But anyway, I would say I have a gate that is dysfunctional at the moment, sadly. Bummer. It is these things here. I saw them today and I hadn't used the gate, so I don't know why they were all there, because I had cleaned and not used the gate, so something has made the gate go up and down when I wasn't here. To have these, it looks like a something from the track. I'm about half timid to put my head near it. But I think the problem is in this track here. There's something that it's just fetching up on that caused the chain to break in the first place. That seems to be causing it trouble. Look at the mess it made just going down that bit. I mean, if this is every time I use the gate, there's something seriously in need of repair with this gate. Ah, bummer, because I'm getting the print work done for it, and I don't want to buy the print work again, because the print work's expensive, and for me it's very expensive, and anyway, blah blah blah. It'll be great when everything's just the way it should be, and I'm aiming for that goal soon. But for now, I'll just lock the door. I'm sure it's safe, but it's the principle. I wish I had a gate that worked. Anyway, cheers. You can see it's not even. Again, I dread the messy fingerprints that'll be all over my ceiling that I'll have to quickly sweep up. These guys really tear hell out of your clean place after helping to fix it. You have to do a lot of work to get it back the way it was. I wish, you know. But anyway, sorry to bother you with these little things. Oh yeah, from this angle, look at that, that's not good. This end is obviously much higher than this end. At least it kind of stopped in the right place. This end a bit too low, this end a bit too high. Yeah, but I do believe that the track on this side is in need of repair or replacement. I think that's where the problem lies. I just hope that if it's repaired or replaced, nobody destroys those expensive frames I put around those board advertisements like this. I hope it doesn't get destroyed by the people who come to fix it. They tend to, you know, make quite a mess when they're here. And I hate cleaning. I hate it. Anyway, cheers.